What is up, guys? It's Dylan here, also known as Lit Squad, and I'm with my friend Kaden. Say hi. So yeah, so we're gonna be playing Murder Mystery, or not Murder Mystery. What that mean? I mean Bad Murder 2. So let's get started. Now, I almost have 170 subs. I need 31 more subs until we reach the goal that I wanted to reach for a long time now. Thank you guys so much for 1,500 views, over 1,000. Oh, I thought I gained another one. It confuses me sometimes. But yeah, I'm with my friend Kaden, as I said. Stupid Snapchat. Okay, sorry if you guys can hear my phone. It's because so this game should be pretty fun with her, even though I recorded a video with her. She is quite amazing, so you should give us an ad on Roblox. Put our stuff in the description below. And so, are we gonna be teaming, right? If you guys can't hear her, I'm sorry. Her mic is like really low. Okay, so she'll be right back. Look at that. Ah. See guys, she's back. Okay. Okay, I'm in. So we're just gonna wait for her. Shut up, phone. When your phone goes off when you're trying to record. Oh my god. So yeah, guys. If you're not subscribed to me, go do that. I post lit videos. When I get my own vlog camera, I'm gonna be posting. Like vlogs and stuff like that. But yeah, you guys will probably enjoy my vlogs. So my next video will probably be a reaction video to, I don't know. Anyway, so there's my here. Got Hey, hurry up. Like, I want her to be in this video as much as possible before I have to like stop, because this only goes up to 15 minutes per recording. So I want her voice to be in here as much as possible. Who's the murderer? Because someone just died. Oh, someone else just died. Wait, is it Ruti? Whatever his name is. I feel like it's Ruti. Yay. Kaden's here. Like, I know who the murderer is, but I just can't see him. I was saying it's Rue, but I don't freaking know. Someone's already dead there. Yep, I knew it. So yeah, guys. She's finally here. Where is she? Okay, I swear to God, show your freaking self. Where'd you go? Oh. There she is. There she is right here. So yeah, guys, go add her, or basically add us. My user is basically DylanYT, and hers is II_GhostE with an E at the end. Don't forget about the E. But yeah, look at her slaying south wherever she just went. There you go. Come back. Mine is lagging really bad. Stupid recorder. Oh, there you are. Look at her. Look at her. Look at that beauty up there. Come back. For a second there, I thought we had the same face, but we don't. So yeah, guys. Here, you know what? Let me see. No. Where? Oh! Sheriff Madness. We didn't even get to play as much because I've been recording for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna make this video 15 minutes long. 3, 2, 1. Go! Go, go, go! Ah! Oh, I got her! Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm lagging. I'm lagging so much. I'm lagging so bad. Where are these people? Ah. Oh, frick. I'm so short. Ah. I'm so short. Oh. What? I call hacks on that. I call hacks on that. Oh. Ah. There you are. Here, wait, here. No, come here. No, come here. No. I already know about this. Move your butt. Move his fat ass. And put him to justice. Aww. Okay, I'm hiding from you. I'm hiding from you. I'm hiding from you. You can't find me. What kind of orbs? I know there's a letter in the middle of it. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, come into the
Oh, I died.
By who?
There was a lady with a red hat.
Wait. Oh, I just found her. Oh no.
Oh, you died.
Oh wait, no, come here. I want to give you something. You nasty. Where are you? Here. Trade. Since you have a new knife and a new gun, I'm just gonna give you some. If you click decline, then you're basically not getting free items from me.
You don't have anything to trade.
I know. That's why I'm gonna give you something. Tundra. That's Tundra. And then I'm gonna give you my gold gun. Right. Okay, dodge. Yeah. I'm on wave. I'm on Prestige 3 on Assassin. Oh shit. Wait, isn't Prestige 10 just like Prestige X? Since I'm lagging so much. Wait, who has the gun?